I have here with me the Philips SW6700. It's a Star Wars edition, it's a special edition, and what I'm going to do now is to shave one side of my mustache or stubbles, and the other side I'll be using this normal blade I use daily. So shave was nothing. Alright, so first of all, I'll be using this on the right side. So let's see. This is how I normally shave without the gel, because with the gel most of the time I cut myself more easily. I have no idea why. Maybe I'm doing it the wrong way, but this is fast and good. So yeah, I do get razor burn, maybe not so obvious right now. So this side, I can't really see it myself right now. So this side itself, I think it's done, which I normally do. And now I'm going to use this. There goes nothing. So with these, I think there are two modes. One is the faster mode, one is slower. So I'm going to use the faster one. Or maybe I should use the slow one. Okay. It's very different. This is actually my first time doing this. What's good about this is that it's also pretty flexible right here, and I don't have that fear of cutting myself with the blade. That is why. So it's done. So now is the time to check whether which side is, good enough for the job. Let's see. This is whether you can focus. This is the side where I use the electric shaver. This is the side I use the blade, the normal manual blade. So right now I can't see a difference. Maybe when I review the tape I'll be able to see a difference, but it feels smooth here, and it does also feel smooth here. So I'll take some photos and we'll see the difference. Alright, thanks for watching.